Hey, this is Joe from Presonus. In this Studio One Minute, I'm going to show you how to save effects chains in Studio One. Effects chains are collections of plugins that you use to dial in this great tone, and you want to save that whole channel strip, that whole collection of plugins as one preset. So here's an example. I've got Ampire. I've got a great crunchy tone with one of the new amps in our high density pack, plus the pitch shifter plugin that takes everything up a fifth. Love that. I think I want to save it. Also, I want to add a phaser plugin to that. So let's turn that on, see how that sounds. Love it. Best tone I've ever heard. How do we save this? Come over to the channel, click on the little pull-down menu next to Inserts, scroll all the way down and choose Store Effects Chain. Choose a catchy name, perfect, and it will now show up in the right-hand side of your plugin window underneath Effects Chains, and we can now drag this to any channel in the song or the show page, and we've got those exact settings pulled up.